Okay, this is Jiamin Pan, and this is a video for ECE 6303, question 2, homework 6. Okay, this comes to this question, and we have a density function fxy joint function equals to b when x squared plus y squared is not bigger than 1 and 0 otherwise. The first one, we should find b so that the above defined function is a valid joint product density function, probability density function. Okay, that's quite easy because we should find that. Just do it, and this final result should be equals to 0. Okay, we should know that the area of this is equals to pi, so b is equals to 1 over pi. Okay, question B, we should find the expectation for x and the conditional expectation xy and the y x and the expectation of xy. Okay, let's do it. Okay, we should first find ex. Ex is just x multiplies fxy dx dy. Okay, let's write it down. We should find that x is an odd function. X is an odd function. So the next step, we should find that the whole result should equals to 0. Okay, since ex, that's expectation for x, is 0, and the conditional expectation for ex in the condition of y is equals to 0. So the expectation for x and capital Y is also equals to 0. And we should write it down that x and y is identical. Okay, so the expectation for y and the conditional y capital X is also 0. Okay, the last, we should find that the expectation for x multiplies with y. Okay, let's do the calculation as well, and that's in this area, and that's in dx and the dy, and x multiplies with y, and b we know it's equals to 1 over pi. Let's write it in front of the whole equation, and that's from -1 to 1x, that's minus square root 1 over x squared, and from square root 1 over x squared. Okay, let's do it. Let's draw it. And to next, it's y, and that's the circle for x squared plus y squared equals to 1. It's 1, 1, minus 1, and minus 1. Okay, that's the whole area. And when we make the x fixed, like x is like right here, and y should equals to what? Y should equals to plus minus 1 minus x squared, square root. It is square root, and we put it down. That's in y dy, and you should see that y is an odd function. It's an odd function, and we do the calculation. The first, this one is equals to 0. Okay, and so no matter what happened during the second step, the final result of the equation should be 0. That's an expectation for x plus minus x multiplies with y. That's 0. Okay, So we write it down. We find that expectation for x multiplies with expectation of y equals to expectation for x multiplies with y. So x and y are uncorrelated. Okay, that's the final solution to question 2. Thank you.